delegate. Is that any points of information?
3.
The delegate has opened himself to 3 points of information. If there are such 3, please raise your buckets now. Germany followed by China, followed by Canada. Continue later, we'll continue later. Germany will recognize.
Is the delegate of Saudi Arabia taking A and B from both of the causes, or only like A and B and A from the cause?
No, I'm taking both of them from each operative cause.
And the delegate of Saudi Arabia is saying A and B from each cause doesn't relate to the solution of democracy, correct?
Or it's not a solution.
That Saudi Arabia is removing all the sub-clauses for the operative, correct?
Yes?
Request for follow. So if the delegate of Saudi Arabia says that the whole operative doesn't make a solution, so why are they only removing the sub-clauses?
I'm not talking about the whole thing, I'm talking about... The delegate of Saudi Arabia is not talking about the whole thing, I'm talking about the sub-causes. They have nothing to do with the upper cause.
Okay.
I think that was the candidate.
Is the delegate of Saudi Arabia aware that sub-causes are supposed to add on to operative causes and are not supposed to be solutions?
They're supposed to be solutions and they don't add on well.
Is the delegate aware that request to follow? Sub-causes aren't supposed to be solutions added on to the actual solution.
Delegate. Sub-causes are detailed solutions it's supposed to be detailed solutions.
Yes, but is the delegate of Saudi Arabia aware that when in sub-cause A in operative cause 10, when they said that Libyan people have suffered too much, says the UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres, by saying that shows that democracy should be done.
But how is that? I don't know if the democracy is... The delegate of Saudi Arabia doesn't know if it has to be done. You have to explain it. If you explain it, maybe okay. And
You.
The delegate of Canada maybe explain it will be okay. And also, it has basically no solution to it. So what's the point?
Request follow-up. If the delegate of Saudi Arabia did not understand the sub-cause A and B for operative cause 10, why didn't the delegate of Saudi Arabia ask the delegate of Libya when the delegate of Libya was explaining our resolution?
Okay, so I understand, but so what you're saying here, Libyan people have suffered too much, says UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres. But now you're saying that now the delegate of Canada is saying that you're adding on. That what they mean is like it's not democracy. How am I supposed to know that if it's not written?